Join me as I explore Neko Tea, a unique green tea that has been gaining popularity in Japan and across Asia. Its vibrant green color and tech-inspired packaging are eye-catching, but beyond its aesthetic appeal, Neko Tea offers a refreshing, life-changing experience. For many of us, traditional teas can be too bitter, overly caffeinated, or lack variety. I've struggled to find a tea that balances flavor, energy, and health benefits. That's where Neko Tea comes in, offering a delicious and beneficial alternative to the usual suspects. Neko Tea's flavor profile is unlike any other green tea I've tried. With crafty freshness, a subtle sweetness, and a hint of astringency, it provides a unique tasting experience. But Neko Tea isn't just about the flavor, its carefully crafted blend of herbs and tea leaves delivers a calming yet energizing effect, perfect for those who want to pick me up without the jitters. Plus, its low caffeine content means you can enjoy a cup or two any time of day without worrying about disrupting your sleep. What sets Neko Tea apart from other teas is its impressive range of health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it supports everything from immune health to improved digestion and skin health. This makes it not only a refreshing drink, but also a nourishing one. I've heard many personal stories about Neko Tea's transformative effects. One friend of mine, who struggled with anxiety and insomnia, felt a significant improvement in just a week. She became calmer, more centered, and better able to manage her stress. Others have reported better moods, more energy, and even clearer skin. The benefits seem endless. Neko Tea is also part of a growing community of tea lovers who are passionate about wellness and self-care. It's not just a beverage, it's a lifestyle that connects like-minded individuals who are eager to improve their well-being. To sum up, Neko Tea is more than just a delicious beverage, it's a game changer. With its unique flavor, health benefits, and transformative potential, it's no wonder that Neko Tea is quickly becoming a global sensation. Have you ever tried a tea that changed your life? Share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more on tea, wellness, and self-care. Thanks for watching.